never seen rain like this in my life. This is like scary. Scary. It's scary shit right here. I'm going 70 kilometers an hour. It's entirely. Woo! Yeah! Wow! Okay.